Asta's industrial and commercial energy storage solutions meet diverse power consumption and storage needs. Users can optionally configure PV and charging pile systems. During daytime, PV-generated power supplies batteries and charging piles, with surplus electricity fed to the grid. At night, power comes from batteries or the grid. Users can adjust charging/discharging schedules based on local peak valley cycles to achieve arbitrage and maximize integrated energy efficiency. Asta offers integrated energy storage equipment delivery. It's all-in-one battery cabinets paired with PCS Integrate BMS and EMS for cost-effective capacity expansion. Equipped with premium battery cells exceeding 8,000 cycles, the system features dual fire suppression. Liquid cooling maintains optimal temperature for each cell. Operational in -25 to 60 degrees Celsius environments with IP65 protection, ensuring reliability. The C&I chargers and distributed PV plants are deployed in 100+ countries, China to Brazil, Germany, and beyond, delivering turnkey solutions and end-to-end energy management services.